Your smile is one of the first things people notice when they see you. It's been said that a healthy and attractive smile can boost confidence and morale. Today, dental correction is becoming more popular than ever, and for good reasons.
From my own experience of wearing aligners as an adult and wearing braces as a child, aligners are incredibly more comfortable. The treatment is more comfortable. You can eat what you want. They're a lot better looking as well.
In the past, a beautiful smile was a high price to pay. For many, the process of straightening teeth and closing gaps was too expensive to afford. Part of ClearCorrect's purpose is to make clear aligner therapy more affordable.
And by making it more affordable for the doctor, he's able to make it more affordable for the consumer, the patient.
Today, patients are now able to better align their smile with more comfort than ever before. For more information on ClearCorrect's custom aligners, please visit www.clearcorrect.com.